This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Lessons on how Forex trading can be simple. Did you know that over 85% of all Forex investors eventually lose every penny of their investment? This happens for one reason and one reason only, an overall lack of knowledge in currency trading. Learn how to trade and profit by reading and applying the tips from this article. Try not to become convinced by popular opinion or what a friend thinks is going to happen in the market. You should study the market and use your analysis to determine where you want to invest your money. Sometimes, you may get lucky with a tip, but solid analysis will win out in the long run. The biggest mistake you can make in Forex trading is not to use stop losses. Short-term losses will almost always turn into long-term losses. A stop-loss plan prevents a small loss from becoming a big one, by selling at an acceptable loss threshold that you decided ahead of time. If you plan on participating in Forex trading, one great tip is to never count the profits made on your first 20 trades. Calculate your percentage of the wins. Once you figure this out, you can increase your profits with multi-plot trading and variations with your stops. You have to get serious about managing your money. Go with the trends rather than against them, especially when you're first starting your trading career. Going against the market will cause unnecessary stress and risk. Following the trends while you're first refining your system will make decisions simpler and safer. Once you have more experience, you will have the knowledge necessary to go against trends to follow your long-term strategy. If you are trading in the foreign exchange market, you need to look at the economic indicators of the country. These indicators will tell you about the country's economic health. When these indicators are reported by the government, they will have direct effect on the price of the currency in the exchange market. Do not allow complexity to overwhelm you. You should be able to understand Forex quickly and to create your own method within a few weeks. If you tend to analyze situations too much or to look for explanations for your failures, you are going to waste your time and commit mistakes. Probably the best tip that can be given to a Forex trader is to never quit. Every trader has his ups and his downs, and sometimes the bad days outnumber the good. Maintaining a level of persistence is often what distinguishes success from failure in trading. No matter how bad it gets, it is important to stick with it until you can bounce back. To open a Forex account, you will need your bank account information as well as your social security number. You should trust the broker you are choosing enough to provide this information. And remember that this also means the IRS will know about the profits that you made through Forex. Learning how to properly trade with currency pairs is going to put you in the best possible position to profit. You might not instantly begin to see a profit, but if you are applying what you learned here and continue to hone your strategy, you can become one of the 15% and make a decent living with Forex. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.